Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys, have you ever been in the market for a laptop that can do it all? From work to play, school to studying, these devices are supposed to be your go-to companion. But let's be real, we've all been there before, stuck with a laptop that just doesn't cut it. That's why I'm super excited about the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop. It's like having multiple laptops in one, and I'll tell you why. This laptop is perfect for anyone who needs a device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Whether you're a student looking to stay organized, a professional who wants to be productive on the go, or just someone who loves to create content, this laptop has got your back. With its sleek design and intuitive interface, you'll feel right at home. Now, let's dive into some of the features that make this laptop stand out from the crowd. First up, we have the incredible Ultra 9-285H processor. This thing is a beast. It's like having a personal assistant on your side, always ready to help you tackle even the toughest tasks. Plus, with its integrated graphics, you can enjoy smooth gaming and video editing without breaking a sweat. Another feature that really caught my eye was the stunning 2.8K touchscreen display. I mean, who doesn't love a good OLED screen? It's like having a little piece of art on your lap. And with its 120Hz refresh rate, everything on screen feels buttery smooth whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. But what really sets this laptop apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate into other devices. With its active pen and backlit keyboard, you can create content like never before. Whether you're jotting down notes, sketching out ideas, or just typing away, this laptop has got your needs covered. In real-world use, I've found that the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop performs flawlessly. It's like having a trusted sidekick who always has your back. The battery life is great, the keyboard is comfortable, and overall, it just feels like a well-rounded device that can handle anything you throw at it. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some potential downsides. One thing I've noticed is that the laptop can get a bit hot during extended use, but this is easily mitigated with a good cooling pad or by simply taking breaks to give your hands a rest. Overall, I'm really impressed with the ASUS Zenbook Duo AI-powered 2-in-1 laptop. It's a device that truly has it all, from performance to portability to creativity. If you're in the market for a new laptop and want one that can keep up with your lifestyle, this is definitely worth considering. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.